This video is a step-by-step guide to personalizing or customizing your Facebook profile URL link. Let's dive in if you're ready. Open Facebook app. Let's take a look at the current URL link. Tap on three dots. And here's the link we shall personalize soon. Now let's proceed to customizing our Facebook profile link. Tap on this account switch icon. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Select See More in Account Center. Tap on Profile. Select Facebook account you want to change its URL link. Tap on Username. Try out different usernames until there's a green check mark. Tap on Done when you get the green check mark. Now let's go back and check whether our personalized Facebook profile URL link has been successful. There you go. Our Facebook profile URL has now been personalized. Thanks for watching.